Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to enter and track bills in Wave. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time. Just going to show you guys the steps and let you figure out exactly how to get this done. So let's get started. Now the first step is going to be to go to purchases and bills. Of course, it goes without saying you gotta log into Wave on your browser, and once you're logged in with your credentials, just go to purchases, and under purchases you see bills, and then just click create a bill. Next you got to choose the vendor, or you can add a new one, and then add the bill dates, the due dates, as well as description of what was purchased. Next you got to enter each item's line with categories, amounts, and of course applicable taxes. Once that's done, just click save, and Wave will track upcoming bills under bills, and of course it's going to show due or overdue statuses. Tracking bills helps you to manage cash flows, and of course very importantly to avoid late fees. That's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.